WTI.
If you are looking to have warm, nice, cozy food at a party or an event, the easiest way to do that is by using these chafing dishes that I found. I really love this by KScocina. They're not only beautiful, but they really did a great job of keeping our food at the perfect temperature. It's so easy to set up and looks stunning. It's so beautiful, making our guests feel so special. And the fact that their food was nice and warm is one way to elevate their food. I really appreciated the ease of use of these. They came installed. The only thing I needed to add was the very top, which is the lid, the handle on the top. The smooth edges make it easy for walking around, and the can of gel is easy to place underneath and heats up that water in a really quick time. There's also a place to put your serving spoon on the side. You can choose to use it or not. And the whole setup was perfect. The bowls fit nicely inside. The water has a level to let you know a minimum and maximum for a 6-hour warming period. So not only are these stunning and polished to perfection, they're just fun to have and really add to any event and make me feel special and whoever attends the party feel that much more special with the quality.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.